Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Mercedes-Benz CLS. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 112,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.